So look here. We have the eye focus, also known as the Chinon 3001. 3001. What's great about this camera is it does something a little bit different than other cameras. It takes pictures. And then, what do we have here? We have the Auto 3001, which is a little bit different than this because this one is fully manual and this one is fully auto. But this one also has the privilege of taking pictures as well. And then...
Is that true?
No. And then this is a fuck Chinon 3001. I don't know what Trevor did to this thing, but it has been through the depths of hell and back. Just take a peek in there. Just take a peek.
Yeah. We'll show for the yeah. Just you can see it. So to conclude this review, what do you want to say? So what's your final thoughts?
To conclude the review, both great cameras because they both take great pictures. Thank you.